Dolphins are very smart and friendly animals. They live in oceans and seas all over the world, but they are not fish. Dolphins are mammals, which means they need to come to the surface to breathe air. They have a blowhole on top of their heads to help them breathe. Dolphins love to jump high out of the water, swim fast, and play games. They can also talk to each other by making special sounds, like clicks, whistles, and squeaks. These sounds help dolphins find food and stay together in groups. A group of dolphins is called a pod. Dolphins are very social animals and like to help each other. When one dolphin is hurt, others stay close to help it. Dolphins are also known to help humans. There are stories of dolphins saving people from sharks or guiding lost boats to safety. There are over 40 different types of dolphins. Some of the most famous ones are the bottlenose dolphins. Dolphins can live for many years, with some reaching up to 40 or even 50 years old.